Okay, morning guys. What we're looking at here is a hole, if that wasn't obvious enough. This is the wall to my barn, and on the other side of this wall is the ducks. And this has been wet for months and months because, you know, ducks and water and ducks. And this, after we removed the manure, we ended up with a small hole. Now ducks being ducks, they turn that small hole into a big hole. And they're here all day, all night, just picking and pulling on this piece of tin, or two pieces actually. And the hole's gonna be big enough for them to get out if they wanted to come out. So, what I have to do today is fix the hole. Now when things are built right, doing the repair is not that hard, huh? Really, all I gotta do, there's a line of screws right here, is pull those screws out, go on the inside, and slide a piece of tin down beside this one. There's the inside. Now I just need a piece of tin that's going to be just above this. And then I put my screws back in, the soil will keep it tight on the bottom, and the screws will keep it tight on the top. Now this is just a temporary thing. I only ever expected this to last for 2 years. Unfortunately, because of all the excess water with all the excess ducks, it only lasted a year. At some point I want to make this bottom section concrete, but not yet. There's too many other things on the go, but this shouldn't be a big deal. I have, I think, 6 screws to pull out, cut 2 pieces of tin, make the hole right along here to slide it down, and we should be good for another at least few months. Now this will go here, and over here it's already started. Beside the door there's already a little hole. As long as they leave it alone, it'll be fine. But you can see, look at what this duck is doing. I don't know if they're eating it or what they're doing, but they're pulling off little pieces and constantly making the hole bigger. And you can hear them in there at night, 2 or 3 ducks just tapping away at the wall like a woodpecker. Crazy, huh? So we got to get this done. There's my scrap pile of tin. I know this is a good piece, but I wanted to save that for the wall inside. So I'll go through this and try and find a piece that I can cut up. This stuff is old. Some of this tin is over 50 years old, huh? Well, maybe I've recycled all the oldest of it now, but this came out of a very old house. One of those houses where they had tin walls, you know? This is not very thick. That'll close her up, but unfortunately these loops don't match up. It's a different size. They're not the same. That's alright. It'll have to be. Screws will fix it. Look at that. screws. They sure make things easier. There it is. She's closed. The backfill crew is in. Yeah, that didn't line up too good at all. But you know what? It don't matter. It don't matter at all. Perfect. Perfect is good enough. Well, as long as they don't dig it up again, we should be fine. That duck is not happy. Look at it. Hey, that's enough. He's the big dad around here. And the duck family anyway. He's the main man. Why he wants to fight with a lady turkey, I don't know. Well, if you didn't know it was there, you wouldn't even notice anymore. That's not bad, that's really, if not for the camera, that would have been a 10-minute fix. Easy. I like easy. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching.